Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above, not here, and above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.